Hi, this is Rajendra sir with science lesson number 1, that is plant kingdom. In this chapter we read about leaf and its parts, photosynthesis, how plants use food and food chain. Let's begin. Plants not only make the world around us beautiful but are also very useful to us. You already know what most parts of a plant are called. You have also learned about how plants are useful to us. Let us now read about leaves. Leaves of plant. Leaves grow on the stems of plants. They are usually green in color. Leaves are green because they have a green substance called chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll helps leaf to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. There are many different types of leaves when it comes to shape and size, but they all have some common parts. Leaves perform different functions. They make food for the plant and are therefore called the kitchen of the plant. Leaves help them plant in transpiration and exchange of gases through stomata. Different type of leaves and parts of leaves. Parts of leaves, mainly most leaves have 3 parts: stalk, leaf blade and veins. I repeated my line. Most leaves have 3 parts: stalk, leaf blade and veins. Leaf blade, it is a flat part of the leaf. Stalk, it helps a leaf to attach to the stem. Veins, these are the fine lines seen on the leaf blade. The thick vein in the middle is called the midrib. Now, photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Thus, photosynthesis is a process by which green leaves make food by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. A green substance called chlorophyll in leaves help them in the process of photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, the root of the plant absorbs water from the soil and send it to the leaves through the stem. Chlorophyll in the leaves absorb energy from sunlight. The stomata present on leaves take in carbon dioxide present in the air. After the food is prepared, oxygen is released through the stomata. The food made by plants is called glucose. When making food, plants give out oxygen. They are also release water vapor in the atmosphere through stomata. Thus, plants produce the oxygen that we need to live. The good thing to know is photosynthesis is one of the reasons for conifers and other pine trees to grow in cone shape. The cone shape allows more and more needle-shaped leaves to be exposed to the sun. This enables the tree to grow taller. Now, let's try. How do plants use food? How do plants use food? Plants use the prepared food that is glucose, in the following ways. To grow, the prepared food is used to grow and to produce flowers, fruits and more leaves. To repair, the prepared food is also used to repair itself when flowers and leaves are broken off by wind or when we pluck them. The plant uses the energy produced by the food to repair itself. To store, the extra food that is not used by the plant is stored as starch in different parts of the plant. Food is stored in the leaves, fruit, stem, roots and also in seeds. These are the parts of plant that we eat as vegetables and fruits. How do animals use food? Food produced by plants is used by animal to get energy. Thus animal depends on plants for food. Rather, all living things depend on each other for their survival. Animals get oxygen and food from plants, and plants get carbon dioxide from animals. A sudden increase of or decrease in the number of any of these will disturb the balance of nature. A food chain shows us living things depend on one another for food. A food chain always begins with a plant. Since plants produce food in their green leaves, they are therefore known as producers. Humans or animals eat plants and are therefore known as consumers. Thus, the food chain shows how producers and consumers depend on each other for food. Green grass prepares its own food through photosynthesis. Grass is eaten by rabbit, it is consumer, and rabbit is eaten by an eagle, it is also consumer. Let's revise. Most leaves have three parts: stalk, leaf blade and veins. Leaves are usually green in color due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants are use their food for growth and repair and store the extra food as starch. A food chain shows how living things are dependent on each other for food. Thank you.